guys, it's Mackenzie. I'm back at it with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial of an eye look that I do in the spring and summertime. Warm tones, orangey tones, all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Warm Up Sessions palette. I purchased this from Sephora a couple of months ago. So for the crease, I'm going to start off with this very warm, like brown tone. So here we go. Just gonna go in on my crease. It's not too pigmented, but it's just enough. Obviously, I already have a pair of lashes on. They're the Ardell Wispies. I love Ardell, even though it's from a drugstore. I personally like to buy cheaper lashes rather than the more expensive ones. Okay, so I did that all over lid. And then I'm going to go in with the other kind of warmer orangey tone. It's just a little bit darker, and I'm going to go over that on my crease as well. Okay, I'm going to go over my crease again with the same color. I definitely think that orangey tones bring out blue-green eyes. I just know that when I wear orangey tones on my eyes, they definitely pop a little bit more. Okay, so then I did that all along my crease. I'm going to go in with this color. It's kind of like a burgundy, red, orangey tone, all of those. I'm gonna go in that. It just darkens it a little bit on the side. Gonna go in with the other side. So I'm also going to go in with this glittery shade, if you guys can see, right in the middle, but I'm first going to apply the Too Faced glitter glue. That helps the glitter stick in place on the lid. I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush. And then it'll look a little weird at first because it's kind of just a white paste, but it definitely makes the glitter stick and then stay in place all day too. Okay, so then it looks just kind of pasty. So then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, put that along my lid. I love glitter. A really pretty gold tone. And then that glitter glue definitely helps look like that. I'm just gonna go in with a shading brush and then go over the crease. Then I definitely have some eyeshadow on my lid that I'll definitely need to take off. But that's what eyeliner is for. My hair is a mess, so pardon that. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with the like banana shade. I'm just gonna put that on my brow line. Just using these. Okay, just gives definition from your brow to your crease to your eyelid. Okay, see, it definitely makes my eyes pop. Or the second orangey shade again. Blend, 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 blend. Just going to bring a little bit of that glitter down on my under eye. All around the bottom. Kind of give it a smoky effect. And then I'm going to go in with the burnt orange color And then I'm going to have a flat brush and then put that on bottom lashes. And I already have mascara and everything on. Obviously, I did this completely backwards. And then wipe off the fallout. And then I'm going to go in with eyeliner, liquid liner. This one is from NYX, just the Epic liner. And then I'm just going to cover the eyeshadow fallout on my lashes. So there you have it. You have a, well, I thought it was going to be more of a natural look, but then I got carried away and now it's not. So here is the final look. Okay guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I definitely still want to do some like fashion stuff on this channel. Promise I won't wait like 6 months for another video. I just had to wait for a lot of my equipment to come in to film. So I definitely want to do some more tutorials. So let me know what you guys want and then I will do that for you. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.